What was your question?
Can money buy skills?
Yes, money can buy skills,
Okay.
but in my point of view, that in my point of view, that you have to, if you are paying someone for learning that skill, so you have to be very curious and you have to be courageous for that. That I can do it. You have to be self-motivated. If you are not self-motivated, so you are paying, just paying the money, and you are neglecting that thing. You are not learning that skill. You are not improving yourself, and you are not learning any new skills or any new thing in your life. So you have to be on time. You have to be punctual. You have to be dedicated to the skill which you are learning, and you have to be self-motivated. That I can beat it, and I can learn it by any way. So
Okay.
what is your point?
Yes. What do you think?
Are you understand now? You understanding?
Sir, from my perspective,
खाली आप जाओ या फिर रुको just 3-4 minute more.
sir, from my perspective, like it's totally depend on a person that if he or she wants to uh, know about football or they want to play football, so they they joined a class, uh,
Hmm.
and if they are very interested in a football, so they attend regular classes,
Right.
and by doing regular practice and by paying money also,
Right.
they directly directly buy that skills, like they are get professional.
You see, I think it's an indirect point. Basically, what he wants to say that, man, if I have money, I can hire an expert on the subject, maybe a doctor, teacher, English trainer, for example, or maybe other say, a person, and I can pay that person, and there is a possibility to gain that skills, how to speak English, how to learn English, and maybe how to speak in a better way, perhaps how to play football. That skill may or may not come, right? But there is a possibility that somebody plays, work hard, does dedication, and that SRK effect you talk about, that person can have skills as well. So money can buy skill as well. So now you also agree with the point. Any other points? Money cannot buy. So what money cannot buy, man? Money buy everything. What he's saying.
I have one. I